Type. We'll start, inshallah, the first lesson today, inshallah.
I want to speak.
If you want to speak, please raise your hand before you speak. Please. Before we start, I need the math book beside you. Can you see the screen now?
Volume 1 or
Volume 1.
Volume 1?
Volume 1.
Is what?
Volume 1, page 11.
11?
Yes.
Yeah, I got it.
You got it?
Yes.
Okay. The first lesson, inshallah, in the book is called the place value. Please don't open your camera. Please, no need for the camera. If you want to ask anything, please raise your hand. I will answer your question. So, please, no need to speak without permission. Okay? If you want to say anything, just raise your hand.
I don't know how to raise my hand, mister.
From the chat button. You see the chat?
Which chat? The principal?
The participants? Press on the participant. Yeah. There are 3 points down.
No, there is no 3 points. No just invite. I have just invite. Yeah, it's
side invite.
Code 4.
Sorry?
You raise your hand by clicking something called, it says more.
More.
There is more.
There is more.
And then there's like some emojis and then that.
Raise your hand. You want to say anything? Okay. So the place value. We'll start with the place value. What is the meaning of the value? What is the difference between the value and the place value? The place value, it's depend on the position of the number. For example, we have this number. This number is the distance between the earth and the sun. Who can read this number?
Me.
If you can read the number, please raise your hand.
I can.
Okay. Raise your hand. Ibrahim.
No, it's me.
Ibrahim.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's 92,955,793.
So how we can read the number? What you say is right. To read the number, we need to divide it, the large number, especially the large number. We need to divide it into periods. So what is the meaning of period? Period that we divide the number for each 3 digits, we will make them as a period. So we have here 92, then 955, then 793. All of you can see the screen?
Yeah.
Okay. So we'll divide each number. We have 1, 2, 3, then we make comma. It means that is the first period. 1, 2, 3, then another comma. 1, 2, 3. So we have another family or another period. Each period formed from ones, tens, and 100. Ones, tens, and 100. Ones, tens, and 100. But we don't have any 100 here. The name of the first period is ones period. The second period defined by the 1000 period. The third one is?
Okay, I know about this.
Sorry?
We learned this also in grade 4.
I know. That's we revise. That is the million period. Any problem for this one? So the first period defined by the ones, the second as 1,000, the third as 1,000,000. We need to write this number in. You are playing, is this right? So we'll mute all of you. Right. If you want to talk, please raise your hand. No one will be able now to talk. So about the ones number, we need to write this number, this number in the place value short. The place value short will start from the ones, the number at the ones which is 3, the second number which is 9 at the 10th place, the third number which is 7 at the 100th place, the next will be at the 1,000, the next will be in 10,000, 9 will be in 100,000, 2 will be at the million, and 9 will be at the 10 million. So how we can read this number? To read the number, we'll start from the left to right. So it would be 92,955,793. So the place value, which is ones, tens, hundred, and thousand. What about the value? The value is given to the number from its place value. So the first 9 that we have, that is the first 9. It lies in 10 million. It lies at the 10 million place. So 9 now, to find the value of 9, just write 9 multiplying by the place value, which is 10 million. So just multiply 9 times 10 million. So the answer now will be 90 million. You know how we can multiply this one? How we can multiply 9 times 10 million? You know how we can multiply this one? You can unmute yourself, then speak, then mute yourself again.
Yeah.
How we can multiply?
Mister.
Yeah, Mr. And 9 times 1 equals 9. Then we put all the zeros.
We put at the zero, all of the zeros at the first, then
Yeah.
we multiply 9 times 1, which is 9. So the answer now will be 90 million. So the
90
value of
million.
9 will be 90 million.
I do this page, Mister.
Okay.
Now
Again,
I
now
finished
2
it.
times 1 million, because now 2 in million place. So 2 times 1 million is 2 million. So how we can complete the next one? 9 times 100,000. It will be, because 9 in 100,000 place.
100,000.
900,000. The next 5 times 10,000, which equals
50,000.
50,000. The next 5 times 1,000, because 5 lies at the 1,000 place. So it would be 5,000.
5,000.
The next will be
700.
700. The next will be
70.
90.
90.
And the last one will be 3.
3.
The value of 3 will be 3. The value of 9, because it's at the 10th place, so it will be 90. The value of 7 in 100 place, it will be 700. The value of 5,
Yeah.
it will be 5,000. The value of 5 is 10,000. In 10,000 place, so it will be 50,000. The value of 9, when in 100,000 place, so it will be 900,000. We look at this number 3, 3, 3, 3. What is the value of the first 3?
Once.
The value, not the place value. It lies at the ones place, but its value will be 3 times 1, which equals 3, because it's a
3.
ones. The second 3 is
33.
no. Just write 3. 3 lies at the 10th place.
10.
So it would be
3
3 times
multiply
10,
10.
which equals 30. What about the 3?
3 times
3
times
times
100.
100, which equals 300. The last one, which is 3 times
3,000.
1,000 equals
3,000.
3,000. So we need to
This
compare
is so
between,
easy.
so we need to compare between them. 3, 30, the next 300, the next is 3,000.
3,000.
If you are going to the left, you will find that the number is increased by 0. What is the meaning of increased by 0? It's mean multiplying by 10. You are moving to the left. The first one is 3. The second is 30. The next will be 300. The next is 3,000.
3,000.
It's mean each time you multiply by 10. If you're going from left to right, you are going from left to right, you will find that we remove 1 0. It's mean you divide by 10 or multiplying by 1 over 10. Multiplying by 1 over 10.
Yeah. Good.
You understand?
Yeah.
Yep.
It's mean any number, if when you're going to the left, the number will be 10 more. If you are going to the right, it will be 1 over 10. You understand the difference now? If you are going to the left, it will be 10 more, 10 times more. If you are going to the right, it will be 1 over 10. You understand it?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
So we need to write an example of the page number 12. Page number 12. We have many ways to write the number, 3 ways. The first way defined by the standard form. What is the standard form? That's we write the digit, use the digit to write the number, like 423. The second way is called the expanded form. That by using the sum of the value for each digit. What is the value for this one? For the 5 is 500. Plus, what is the value of 2? Is 20. What is the value of 3?
3.
3. So that's the first one defined by the standard form. The next one defined by expanded form. There is another form which is word form. What is the word form? That we can say that 500
The word for
and 3.
I learned this in
In
grade
grade
3.
3, grade 4, that's all what we know from grade 3. But now we know before
No,
in
grade
grade 4 up to 100,000. Now we are solving in million. Okay? So we need to write this number in the place value chart, which is 5,500,000. How we can write it? What should I write here in ones place?
0.
0. Tens place?
0.
0.
100 place?
0.
0.
1,000?
0. 0. 5.
5. 5.
5. So this
5.
number we can read it as 5 million
5 million
and 5
500,000.
5,500,000.
There's 1,000.
So if you want to write in expanded form, it will be the first one written in standard form. The second form is called the place value chart. The third form is called the word form. Now we need to write in expanded form.
Yes.
How we can write an expanded form?
5
The first 5. 5 will be multiplied by
million.
1 million. And after
Plus
that, 5 times
100
times
100,000. You understand it?
yes.
Can you complete, please, in your book? Write that in your book.
Mister, I will get my book tomorrow because I don't have it.
Sorry?
I don't have my book, so I'm gonna get it tomorrow.
So because of that, why you say this session is boring? I record the chat screen, by the way, and I will send it to the guide counsel, and he will call you.
Mister, it was just a joke. Why would I even do
That's
it?
not the time for joking. If you want to joke, don't be inside my class.
Okay.
Have you finished writing?
Yes.
Anyone still write?
No. No.
Because I will check all of the books. I will collect all of the book by the end of the week, and we will check the books.
How, mister? How?
Your father will get the book to the school to be checked.
Okay.
خلاص? Have you finished?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, mister. I finished.
Mister, we finished.
Okay.
We finished.
So we need to solve the next one.
Mister, the answer is 90.
Which one?
The first one.
Just wait. Okay. We need to write the value of the highlight digit. What is the value of 9? If you need to answer, please raise your hand. Abdurrahman. Ya Abdurrahman. Abdurrahman Shukri. What is the value of 9 for the first one?
9.
It's now page what?
That's
in
page
tenth.
12. That's page 12, the same page.
Okay, 10, Mr. And it's 90.
Okay. Just a minute. The value of 9 is 90. What is the value of 9 at the second one? Number 2. Ibrahim. If you need to answer, just raise your hand.
90,000.
90,000. So we can write by this way 90, or we can write it as 9 times 10, and this one will be 9 times 10,000. Okay. Number 3, Ahmed. Ahmed is not here. Type Ahmed Cindy.
Yes.
Number 3. Circle the digit in 10,000. Which digit in 10,000?
3.
3.
Yeah.
Okay.
So,
Have you finished this
30,000.
page? No, I need just to circle the digit only. I don't need to find the value. So have you finished? Have you finished this page?
Yeah.
Yep.
Have you finished solving in your book? Please solve with me in your book.
Yes, I finished.
Yes, I finished it.
Finish.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes. Yes.
Now page 13. Can you see the page 13?
Yeah.
Oh, it's Ahmed. Ahmed, solve this one. Number 4, Ahmed.
Yes, the value of the
The value, what is the value?
is 600.
600. Okay. If you want to answer, just raise your hand. Just raise your hand. We have only Abdurrahman, Ibrahim, Abdurrahman, then Ibrahim. What is the value of 3?
300,000.
300,000. Okay. Number 6, Ibrahim. Number 6.
It is 9,000. 9,000.
9,000. Okay. The next, Muhammad Tamer. We need to write this number in word form. How we can write this number in word form?
Word forms?
Yes.
Yeah. We write yeah. Ones.
No. In word form, can you read this number?
Yeah.
Read it.
5,9,9,001.
No.
4.
Just wait. We read the number in period. So that's the first period. That's the second. That's the third. What is this number? The first one?
Yeah. Million.
No. What is this number? Read this number only. Leave the family.
5.
So we write 5. 5 in which period? In million.
5.
So it will be 5
and million.
million. Then comma. Can you read this number? Leave the family now, or leave the period. What is this number? Can you read this number?
901.
Then we can say
901.
1,000.
Thousands.
What is the name of the family? It lies at the 1,000.
Thousands.
So it will be
1,000 period.
Then read the last family, or the last period. What is the name?
Yeah.
The number in the last period?
452.
Yes.
And the period is ones.
So we will not write the period. If the period is called once, so we'll not write once. So we just write 4.
Yeah.
100. 50. 2. You understand how we solve this one?
Yeah.
Now we write in word form. I need another one to solve.
In word form?
No, the expanded form. The next one is Ibrahim. Ibrahim. If you need to answer, just raise your hand. Ibrahim, we need to solve the expanded form for this question. Expanded form. Ibrahim.
Yes.
The expanded form. You raise your hand. You need to solve or not?
Yes, I need to.
Okay. What
Five.
is
Five times
Huh?
1 million.
5
plus
times, just a minute, 1 million plus
9.
9 times
9 times 900. 100,000.
100,000 plus
1
times
1,000.
1,000 plus
4
4 times
400.
100.
قصدي 100.
100, yes. And 5 times
5 times 10.
10 plus
2 times 1.
yes. Any problem for this one? You understand it? Any problem for this one? Anyone didn't understand it?
I understand.
Okay.
I understand.
طيب. Who next? Abdurrahman will be the next. Please, if you want to solve, just raise your hand. Abdurrahman will be the next. We need to write this number in word form. Write this number in word form.
3 million.
3.
3.
Read the number at the first, then mention the period. The first period here is million, then thousand.
309 million.
Yes, 300. 300.
9 million.
9. Then we write the name of the family, or the name of the period, which is million. Then comma.
99,000.
99. 1,000.
990.
900.
90.
90. Okay. Now I need another one, which is just a minute. Ahmed. I need the expanded form for this one, Ahmed.
Yes, sir.
Expanded form. Huh. What is the
309.
The expanded
309. 309 million plus 19 plus 99,000 plus 900 plus 90.
Okay, Ahmed, just look at the number 7. Number 7, when I need the expanded form, I just find the value of each digit, not the value of each period. Leave the period now. To write the number in expanded form, just find the value of each digit. The value of each digit. So we start from 3. 3 now, in which place value?
3 is in 100 million.
100 million. It's mean we will multiply it by 100 million.
3 multiplied by 100 million.
Plus, the next digit is 0. The value of 0 in any place equals 0. So we will ignore 0. The next one is 9. Just write 9 multiplying by. What is the value of 9 here?
Million.
What is the
1 million.
Million. So we'll multiply it by 1 million. Plus, we'll finish 9. The next one is 0. Cancel 0. The next is 9.
9. 9 multiplied by 10 million. 10,000.
Yes, 10,000. Plus, the next is?
Plus 9.
9 times?
Times 1,000.
1,000. Plus, the next is?
9.
9 also times?
100.
100. Yes. Plus, the next is?
9.
If you want to solve the second one, the next one, raise your hand, please. Raise your hand if you want to solve the next one. Raise your hands, please, to solve the next one. Okay. The next is 9 times?
9 times 10.
Yes, 9 times 10. And we will ignore 0. You understand now how we can solve an expanded form? Just write the value of each digit, then plus. The sum of the value of each digit. That is the definition of the expanded form. The word form, we use the words to write the number. Standard form, we use the digit to write the number. So the next one is Hamza. Hamza, we need to write this number in standard form. Then we need to write in expanded form. But at the first, we need to write in standard form. So how we can write it in standard form?
83 million 23,007.
Okay, just write the number in your notebook and give me the digit, and I will write if that's digit right or wrong. So how you can write it? Just for example, if I say the number 324, so just write from the left to right. You write 3, then 2, then 4, and I will write 3, then 2, then 4.
Okay.
Okay.
8, then 3, then no, 8 and 3, then 20, then 2,
then 2,
and 3,
and 3,
then 7.
and 7.
Yeah.
Okay. If I want to read this number, I will start from right 1, 2, 3, then comma, then 1, 2, خلاص. So this number is 83,000. No, 83,000. Read this number. 83,237. Please, if you are not solving with me, please close your mic. If you are not solving with me, please close your mic. 83,000, because that's the number. 83,237. Is that right?
Yes, that's right.
So I need 83 million. So how we can write this one? To explain how we can write this number. Just a minute. What is the greatest family, or what is the greatest period that we have?
83.
No, I need the name of the family or the name of the period.
What do you mean?
What is the period that we have? We have the period which is once, the next period which is 1,000, the next period which is million. That's right.
So
what is the greatest period that we have? Million.
In the millions.
So we have that is the first period, the second period, the third period. How many digits in each period?
In the millions, 8 and 3.
Just a minute. How many digits in each period? Just a minute, please. Sorry?
In the first one, 2. In the second,
for each
3.
period, just please answer my question. Leave your question now. There is no question here. There is no question. Answer my question. How many digits in each period?
3.
Each 3. So we write 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. That's how we can convert the number from the word form to the standard form. For each digit, for each period, each form.
Mr. I write.
Can you wait, please? Can you wait, please? Muhammad Tamer, please. Please, when I'm speaking, please raise your hand and I give you time to speak. Don't speak without permission. Halas?
Okay.
Now go back to the number. The first family that we have, which is million. What is the number in million? 83. So 83. 3 here in ones place. 3 in tens place. Is there any number in 100?
No.
No. So number in 100 which is 0. There is no number, so which is 0. And write 8 and 3. So because the 0 at the left, so we'll ignore 0 at the left. No need for 0 at the left. Now the number in 1,000 place. What is this number?
This 23.
That's 23. How many digits? 2. So complete the missing. That's the number at the ones. Then that's at the tens.
The 0.
The 0 at the 100. So we write 0, 2, 3. Now we have this number will be written at the 1,000 place. That is 7. 7 here in which place?
Ones.
Ones. So where is the tens? There is no tens. There is no 100, so we replace it with 0. So understand now how we can solve the number, convert the number from the word form to the digit form. That is the way how we can convert the number from the word form to the digit form. Okay. For number 2, I need to write the number in expanded form. So Abdurrahman will solve with me. Abdurrahman will solve with me. Abdurrahman.
Yeah.
So solve with me this one.
83 million.
83 million. I need to write this number in expanded form. This number, I need it in expanded form.
83 million.
Expanded form, expanded by the value of each digit. The value of each digit, that is the expanded form. This one defined by the expanded form.
Oh.
You understand now? This one is called the standard form. This one is called word form. Okay?
83 times million.
No, only 8. Only 8 times. What is the value? No, not million. 8 is not in million. The value of 8. The place value of 8 in?
10 million.
10 million. So write 10 million. Plus, the next one is?
3
in?
3 times million.
1 million. Plus, the next is 0. So no need to write 0 because the value of 0 at any place equals 0. Now we have 2 times
10,000.
10,000. Plus, the next is
3
3
times
times
3,000.
1,000. Plus
7 times 10.
1. No, 7 here in one's place. I say 7, not 70. When I say 70, it's mean in 10th place. But 7 in one's place. Any problem for this one? Okay, number 10. Ibrahim. Number 10, yeah, Ibrahim. We need to write this number in standard form.
Yes.
Standard form. Yes.
We write 304,800,400. Easy.
Yes. What are the digits should I write? You just read the number.
Digits?
Yes, write it in
3.
digits. 3.
The first thing is 3. Then, wait. And then 0.
0.
Then 4.
4.
Then 8.
Then comma, that's the million. Then 8.
8. Then 2 zeros.
2 zeros. Then comma.
Comma. And then 400.
400.
2
Excellent.
zeros.
Yes. Just write the name, the million. We have the million, then 1,000, then ones. Each period is formed from 3 digits. Each period is formed from 3 digits. The first one, 304, will be written at the million.
Yes.
So we write 304. Now we have 800. Will be written in 1,000. So that's 800. Who can solve with me number 2? The second part of question number 10. Ahmed.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Can you solve this one, please?
Yes.
Okay.
Is
I need the expanded form.
expanded form?
Yes.
3 multiplied by 100,000.
Yes.
100 million.
100 million. Plus.
Plus 4 multiplied by 1 million.
Yes.
Plus 8 multiplied by 100,000.
Yes.
Plus 4 multiplied by 100.
Okay. Any problem for this one?
Yes.
Yes, there is a problem. What's the problem?
No, I'm done with it.
Okay. Have you finished writing all of this one in your book?
Yes.
Anyone didn't write? If you didn't write, take your time and write.
No, Mister, I didn't finish the 10. Mister, I didn't finish the 10.
Sorry?
Number 10, I want to finish.
Finish number 10.
I
Finish
didn't
what you want.
finish
Okay.
the expanded form.
Okay. When you finish, just inform me.
Okay.
Please write in your book. Write in your book.
Mister, I can't hear you.
انت بس يا محمد تامر. You're the only one who can't hear me. محمد
Hello?
تامر.
Mister, I have finished.
All of you.
Mister, I didn't finish number 10.
Finish.
I did the expanded form.
Okay, finish it. Sorry?
I have to finish the expanded form.
Okay, finish it.
I finished. Mister, I finished expanded form. Finish it.
All of the questions. Have you finished all of the questions?
Yeah.
Mister, wait, Mister.
Okay.
No, I'm ready for the other question.
Okay. You have only 1 minute to finish the session. So I will send you the solution for this one on Telegram. If you didn't finish writing, you can write it.
I finished, Mister.
خلاص. Now
I've
we
also
finish
finished.
also we finish
I
our
finished.
session. Also we finish our session.
Even
So please try to complete your book. The homework will be we'll continue the remaining of the next session, inshallah. But the homework will be page 15 and 16 until number 6. That is the homework. Page 15. I will write it now on Telegram. Just a minute. Math homework.
Mister, can I do the homework until question number 10 in
No
page
problem.
16?
No
Question
problem.
number 10.
No problem. You can solve. But I need from 1 to 8.
Sir, do we do the 11 and 12?
No, I need only page 15 to...
Mister, the page, the homework is 15, the page 15 and page 16.
Yes, I wrote it in Telegram now. I send it.
Okay.
خلاص? Okay. See you inshallah.
How do I show you that I've done the homework?
Mister, page 14.
We will find a way. Page 14, which page? We will continue. There is 2 questions remaining in page number 14. We'll continue next session, inshallah. Because the time is over now.
Okay.
خلاص? Okay.
Okay. Thank you, Mister.
I'm done with the other questions too.
Okay, inshallah.
Bye.
Thanks.